My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. Instead of a normal announcement, you want to shoot a video to put in here instead of having just written instructions. So what you do is you go to something like QuickTime and you create a movie, and you start this movie and you start recording. I'm not going to do much here because I've already recorded the movie. But I'll show you the procedure. Kill that. Don't save. Okay, so I would go to YouTube after I have recorded it, and I would click upload video, and then I would select my video. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you'll need to create it, and I want to make it public. Click hurricane announcement, click open, and in just a few moments it'll be sorted out. Click publish and it'll be done. Now, it's already been published, so here I can either grab this link and send that as part of the message, or I can click embed, grab this, and let's move this back off, go to my announcements, create an announcement. Now I'm going to say hurricane instructions. Now I'm going to go here and I'm going to click HTML. That's hypertext markup language. You don't have to know much about hypertext markup language, but you click that, you put the embedded link in there, click update, and you'll see this yellow bar. That's good. Click submit, and you'll see my videos right there. So here we are. Hi class, we're not going to meet tonight because of the hurricane. So school is closed as of today, Monday at and that's all it takes. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.